Figure 03 and the Tesla Optimus represent two distinct design ideas in the rapidly evolving humanoid robotics industry. Figure 03 is distinguished by its natural, human-like fluidity and running gait, whereas the Tesla Optimus emphasizes strength, stability, and integration into Tesla's AI and manufacturing ecosystem. Tesla trains both Optimus and Figure 03 using extensive real-world data and reinforcement learning. Tesla employs an end-to-end AI system identical to that which powers its FSD. The robot learns from recordings of human actions, identifies patterns in balance and timing, and performs emulation through trial and error. Figure makes use of a proprietary vision-language action (VLA) paradigm called Helix, which mixes tactile data, object interactions, and human demonstrations. Both Tesla and Figure are aiming to ramp up production of their humanoids in 2026. Tesla had planned to create up to 10,000 Optimus robots in 2025, but that has been pushed into 2026 owing to design issues. Elon Musk has said that the Gen 3 Tesla bot will be released in the first quarter of 2026 and will be the most human-like incarnation to date. Figure founder Brett Adcock believes his $39 billion company can reach 100,000 units by 2029.